Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. As a sideline on another project, I needed to use a couple of cement blocks. And the ones I have got mortar on them. So they've always been kind of awkward to try and sit down and have them be level or anything. I came up with an idea. I have this old mattock that my dad left me. Does a real nice job of peeling that mortar right off of there. There. That old cement block that's always kind of bugged me when I tried using it for anything. Now it's clean as a whistle. Going to do a good job of supporting that engine hoist out here sitting in the side yard, at least for the temporary time that I'm going to be letting it sit. Oops. Well, evidently that one had a weak point. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know where to read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.